Right, we've taken a lovely old Audi S8 D2 in part exchange. 21 years old. Really nice car this. Got a big history file which I will show you in a minute. Drives lovely. Super condition. So if you're a bit of an enthusiast, an Audi enthusiast, I'm sure you'll know all about these. Let's start here at the back corner and I'll carefully show you round. 2 keys, full book pack, loads and loads of service history. Recently had a set of Pirelli P0 tyres. I'll show you the tyre tread, they're like brand new. Now I've just gone round it, I can just see on the bumper a little scratch there near the parking sensor, and these parking sensors in reverse are bleeping all the time, so don't think they're working properly. Barring those 2 little bits, car is spot on. I'll show you each wheel as they're going round. The wheels look all in nice condition, they have been refurbished some years ago. There is a receipt in the folder, and I say those tyres, that 7mm tread all round. Now bodywork looks lovely. You'll find the odd little mark, but there's no corrosion bits I can see. It's really nice. I'm going to show you, say, in detail. It's got the BOSE sound system, it's got the electric rear window blind, it's got side blinds. Let's go down these sides really carefully and slowly for you. Car's just been detailed and all polished nicely, and we've just got in the showroom this morning for photos. I've just checked the windscreen, that's all good. It's got a light top tint on the windscreen. And I'll go steadily across the front. The bright work on the top of the bumpers, you can see here, looks a little bit tarnished. At 21 years old. And I'll go steadily across the front. There's a light scratch, can you see? Just there on the bonnet. Very light. Right, we've got a big file of paperwork with the car. Loads of MOTs, say big thick file, lots of bills in there. Big bill here, totaling £4,800. There's 17 stamps in the service book. It's recently had timing chain tensioner, camshaft adjuster valves. These were the parts, 600 odd pounds, and that was February 22. Right, front wheel, that all looks good. Again, I'm going to go down this side very carefully for you. I can't see any dings and scratches. I'll say the bodywork is really nice. There's no corrosion bits, there's just the odd little stone chip. Mirrors all good. Door bottoms all good. Wouldn't look out of place at an Audi show, this one. And it sounds amazing. Rear wheel, that looks all good to me. A little bit of corrosion around the near the valve cap there. This side bumper all good. Again, a little bit of tarnishing on that strip there on top of the bumper, very slightly. So we've just got that little touch in there, and I say our parking sensors are bleeping, so not working as they should. Let's open the boot to show you in here. It's lovely and tidy in here. Got a boot protector there, lifting it up, carpet lovely underneath, all nice. Right, let's show you in the back. So these manual side blinds on the windows. Little mark on the rear seats. Looks like could be a cigarette burn, actually, very small mark there. First aid kit still in the centre. Heated rear seats, Alcantara suede roof lining, all nice in there. Moving to the driver's side, it's got two sets of over carpet mats, the beige ones, and it's got some black ones. So fully electric seats, electric lumbar, sport seats, leather's good, obviously a little bit of cracking there on the bolster. Watch this telephone pop out here, look at that. Navigation, all works. Steering wheel gear change. Tilt slide sunroof. It's like a solar sunroof. Memory for the seats, 4 position. Yeah, they don't come any nicer than that inside, really good. Right, I'll just stand back, give you a side view. If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. This is a bit unusual one for us to keep for stock, but it's such a nice car that we took in part exchange against a lovely A8 W12. So there we go. I'm sure you'll have some questions. If you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, numbers on the website, we'll answer any questions for you. Come and have a look. Thank you very much for watching.